last, Tracy, to do, I promise. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to think about what you just learned, especially those 5 different steps to developing vocabulary and fluency. Okay? And I want you to click on the Flipgrid, and I would like you to post what a typical response would be from an English language learner at each level of the development process. Okay? What I want you to report on with a response would be the water cycle and the word precipitation. If you were an English language learner and I asked you what precipitation is, how would you respond through each of those 5 different stages? Thanks and have fun.